Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. It's me, Evelia Sadulio, a teacher in profession whose passion is to do video tutorial. Today, my dear viewers, I will teach you how to make a photo collage using picosmos tools. If you have some projects in school, if you have some reports which need some photo collage, you can use this one. This is very easy to use or to make. Okay, to start our project, let us open picosmos tools, and since we are going to make a photo collage, we will be clicking this page design, and you will see different templates here. So let's see from the very beginning. So these are our templates. So just choose the best template that you think is suited to your desired collage. So I will be using simple template. Let's say this one. So we need only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures. Okay, so to insert the picture, what you need to do is just to double click here, and then it's now turn for you to choose the photo since it's being directed to your pictures. Okay, let's say this one here. Click and then open, and then you can just adjust here. If you don't want to include all the parts of the photo, you can just left click and you can drag. Okay, then if you want now, then you can proceed to the next and double click. Scroll. Okay, then I also try to click. Okay, then we can adjust. Next, here, another photo. So this one. And then you can just adjust also. Okay, that's enough. And here, double click also. See, you want only to focus your there and just drag, and then you can also then again double click. Just also Okay, there you have it, and we are done. Next, it's now ready for you to print here. You can also send that in your email, and you can save this, save as. Just click save as, and then type the file name, and then okay. And then if you want to print, you can either click here, then print, or just click the printer here, and then you are now ready for printing. You can use different size of photo paper here, automatic, full, and so on and so forth. Then if you are done setting the size, you can click OK, or you can still print setup, adjust the print setup. Then if you are done, you can now print your project. So that is how easy to make photo collage in Picosmos tool. And if you like the video, please click the like button below, and then please do not hesitate to subscribe my channel for more of my videos in the future. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.